Shubor nakashlem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Sarkar Jila uba Sanbor Shulai, ubadiru MLA ke BJP. Ula penramjur ke Voice of the People Party namar ke Pyrshah ke Jingwan Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma, Syaka Lehniam Behdeiñkhlam, bat kentho magani ke jingle kani ke parti kada ija buram shisha. Habakran shikilar pathai kubor uba Sanbor ulong, hoat ngisngau jaburam baga parti pra kada Pyrshah ke Jingwan Menteri Rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma kumukongsan ban sakhi ke nega Lehniam bat tamasa ke bahe adu jong ke jaj bendeu penar ngaru ngredon lang bat ulong. Uba Sanbor ulong baga jingpenya sno ke nega Jingwan jong Himanta Syaka Lehniam bat ki kami ke japut kade ke babakla shibun. Sngewthamula baki ong bo Himanta Biswa Sarma udei ban penbet ya ka kam ke japut ke bomdan jinga sno ke Jingwan jong bat ke kam ke japut. Menurut kiriu shimat kiseng bhalang nane seng san perthei kidon ya kahok ban kran ya kunu ke isu hendai kim dei ban Pyrshah ya ke Jingwan jong Syaka Lehniam kumukongsan kamdan jinga dei satya bar ka kam khaput ulong. Halor ka kam khaput kiladon ki komiti ki bla thaw ka sarkar lada kidon kunu ke jing ajingmut lane kunu ke jing Pyrshah da ka jing tho ke de ban le cha sarkar lani syakini ki komiti ula benrap. La ban kedo Himanta ulawan syakini ke jing Lehniam hajawai kumunong syakot sngobha haka senra jawai bo unlong kumukongsan. Kibiledan lang hakini Lehniam ki kenthop yo sembut menteri rangba kajila uba Sngewthamula dhar UMLA kathan bat kiwe.
Yes, we feel so embarrassed with that the the party they have opposed the visit of Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, as a chief guest to witness the great festival of the Penar community, the Behdeiñkhlam. Yesterday, I was also with him on other Deputy Chief Minister, local MLA. We are all together. But I feel so funny that they allege that Himanta Biswa Sarma should solve the boundary issue and the party they have opposed the visit of Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Chief Minister of Assam, as a chief guest for this great festival of the Penar community, which is not connected with the border issue. The Sendrai, Joy, they have invited him to visit, to witness the greatest festival of the Behdeiñkhlam as a chief guest. So to publish this kind of protest regarding his visit to the chief minister, we feel so shy, we feel funny. So everybody, an individual, NGOs or the political party, they have got every right to raise any issues with the state government and even with the government of Assam, but they should not protest his visit. His visit in this festival as the chief guest. It is not connected with the border issues. The border issues, there is a committee constituted by the government. If there are any suggestion, any protest in writing, or they can go to the government, to the concerned committee constituted by the state government on the border dispute. So all these things I want to say that we feel so we feel so funny that the political party like a PRA, they have given all this statement which is not accepted by the people of the state. Very good response. Once the bill, suppose if the bill has been endorsed by the Council Affairs Department, Government of Meghalaya, to him, then he will have to endorse the matter to this officer to study in line with the law department.